Hi everyone, I'm Bessie Teague, esthetician at Creative Medspa in Sandy Springs. I'm here to introduce to you the Vivace. The Vivace is a new treatment we are now offering at our state-of-the-art med spa. And what it does is it combines 3 modalities in one. It combines microneedling, radiofrequency, and LED. It is the trifecta of skin rejuvenation. I'm a fan of microneedling because it accelerates the production of collagen and elastin, and it starts to fill in fine lines and wrinkles and improves your skin. It is the true rejuvenating treatment. Radiofrequency is known to tighten skin, and with the Vivace, it actually delivers that radiofrequency heat in the deeper layers of the skin where it's most effective. So you get that extra tightening effect. And if that's not enough, they added LED, red LED for even further rejuvenation of the skin and calming of the cells, and then blue LED for killing bacteria. We can actually kill the bacteria of acne. So again, it is the trifecta of skin rejuvenation and skin health, and we're just super excited to be offering this treatment at our med spa.
So for my next beauty challenge, I am willingly going to let someone prick needles all over my face. I'm going to try microneedling. Microneedling is a procedure that takes tiny, fine little needles to puncture the skin. Why would you ever subject yourself to that? It helps boost collagen. And collagen is what keeps our faces looking plump and fresh and young. And spoiler alert, we slow down producing collagen at 25 years old, and it only gets for that. I'm specifically trying out the Vivace treatment. What makes the Vivace treatment different is it's paired with radiofrequency to refresh and tighten your skin, and there is little to no downtime, and there's barely any pain. Hence why I'm in a cab. I'm going to get this procedure done on my lunch break. I'm a little nervous, but pain is beauty, right? So we're doing the numbing cream now. I just finished. Oh my goodness. So I don't look my best at the moment, but I have a feeling this is gonna be be super worth it. The reveal. My face is very tight. It almost hurts to smile. My wrinkles to the touch are more shallow. I'm also very glowy and dewy. I can't tell if that's just the treatment or it's because they had to put loads of serum on, but I'll take it. I haven't worn any makeup. I still feel like my face is a little red, but I'm prone to rosacea, especially on my cheeks. My face is still tighter, I still have that glow, but what I've really noticed is I don't have red patches, I don't have little brown pigments on my face. I've really barely had to use makeup. I've been getting compliments on my skin.
Well, thanks.
I have not broke out at all. 2 thumbs up. I like it.
Hi, I'm Allison Rauscher. I'm a Creative Medspa for the Vivace experience. And I will say I am very scared of needles, and normally microneedling does hurt me. This did not hurt at all. Pain-free, come do it.
And this is, you're right after treatment, right?
Right,
So
and this is me right after the treatment.
Yeah. All right.
I had a Vivace treatment at Creative Medspa a couple of weeks ago. I've had microneedling treatments before, and I thought this would be very similar. And in some ways it is, but I usually have 2 or 3 days of downtime with microneedling. With the Vivace treatment, I didn't. I went home that evening and my skin was fine, which is important to me because I don't want to miss work because of redness of my skin, and I don't want to have it interfere with my outdoor activities. During the treatment, I really didn't feel any pain. There was some discomfort around my lips and the bony areas of my face, but it was not painful at all. I've already noticed a tightening of my skin, and I know in the next few months it's only going to get even better, and I'm pretty excited about that.
about TrueSculpt 3D treatment, being that it's the latest non-invasive procedure for body sculpting. I was hoping to get from the TrueSculpt 3D treatment a better body appearance, my lower abdomen tighter, felt like a hot stone body massage. It was very comfortable. After the procedure, there was no downtime. I was able to go about my daily tasks as normal. I started seeing my results about a month to 2 months in. My pants started fitting better. I didn't look as bloated. I liked my reflection in the mirror. I would tell anyone who is interested in getting the TrueSculpt 3D treatment that they are expected to get a more defined look in their lower abdomen and flanks.
I was interested in TrueSculpt because I've had some other procedures done that were, I was looking for something that was non-invasive. I have areas with loose skin, and I have cesarean section, and just diet and exercise just could not do anything for me. So I was looking to, just improve, being in my clothes better and fitting better. The TrueSculpt 3D procedure was really tolerable. I didn't have any pain. There is some heat involved. It's totally tolerable. As the day went on, I noticed, some redness and swelling, but it was tender only if I pressed on it. Otherwise, I was fine in my clothes. The TrueSculpt 3D, I started seeing results about 6 weeks after I had the treatment done. Clothes started fitting a little bit different. When I look at myself in the mirror, things were appearing a little bit different in a good way. I would recommend TrueSculpt 3D to my friends, especially people my age. We have such a hard time, and it really worked. I definitely achieved the results I was looking for.
I started Derma Concepts approximately 25 years ago. The only products that were available were cosmetics that smelled good, felt good, and were packaged in pretty bottles. There was really nothing that actually made changes in the appearance of your skin. Environ was one of the very first in creating products which did actually make a change in the appearance of wrinkles, pigmentation, and fine lines.
I created Environ because I'd realized that we get a deficiency of vitamin A in our skin. And in order to stay healthy and have the most beautiful skin that we can have, we need to replenish that every single day.
Environ has a very different philosophy about how we treat the skin. We believe that you don't need to torture the skin into getting a result. We believe that we can nourish the skin to get optimum results out of your skincare by supplying it with therapeutic doses of vitamins, antioxidants, peptides on a daily basis.
It includes vitamin A, C, E, antioxidants, peptides, and growth factors, all ingredients that have been studied to actually make a true difference in the appearance of the skin.
In order to get the best protection out of your antioxidants, we don't just use one or two antioxidants that may be the flavor of the month. We use a broad spectrum of antioxidants because our skin is a broad spectrum of needs. It has many different layers. So in order to satisfy all those needs and offer the broad spectrum protection, we use a synergistic cocktail of antioxidants because this is the best approach in protecting our skin.
I think that it's very important to use Environ twice a day because basically I want to nourish the skin thoroughly.
Vitamin A, along with vitamin C, are essential ingredients that help the skin to produce collagen. By using a step-up program, Environ can acclimate your skin to these therapeutic doses of these ingredients that are so essential to change your skin. We can start you on low levels, and even the most sensitive skin can then benefit from these ingredients. And then as you acclimate to these ingredients, we can step you up through the program, increasing the amount of vitamins and essential ingredients that your skin uses, so that you never reach a plateau, but we're constantly ensuring that you never have a reaction to these ingredients.
Many of my clients who have seen such dramatic improvements in their skin, specifically older clients who have smoked over the years, had a lot of sun damage, and over time we see the skin softening, we see the redness coming out of the skin, we see less clogging in the skin, and just an overall glow and improvement in appearance.
Environ Skincare has been clinically researched and studied.
Environ is one of the few, if not only, cosmeceutical companies that has its own pharmaceutical grade manufacturing facility.
Because Environ does not use any preservatives in its products, and because we use such active ingredients, we have to be particularly sure about the quality control. As a result of that, we have developed one of the most up-to-date quality control laboratories in the world of cosmetics, and every single batch goes through tight screening.
When you're talking about vitamins and antioxidants, it's very important that you protect those ingredients from heat, light, and air.
When I started making Environ, I realized that we can't protect the product while we're making it only, but we have to protect it in our packaging. So airless dispensers have been important right from the very beginning.
I think Environ's a fast-growing company because people really see results. Environ is also cost-effective because a little goes a long way.
We are not available online. It's important that you buy your Environ regimen from a certified stockist.
What I would tell you is that if you're looking for a product line to change your skin, Environ would be the one to do it.
And it's just absolutely the best skincare line on the market.
Using Environ Skincare will actually have sustainable and measurable results over a long period of time.
SkinPin was the first FDA-cleared microneedling device available on the market. So I think the FDA clearance is an important distinction with SkinPen because, to get through that process, they really have to show that the risk of cross-contamination or infection, that they found ways to, effectively eliminate that.
SkinPen is the first FDA-cleared microneedling device on the market. With more than 90 validated tests, it is clinically shown to be safe and effective, keeping both patients and your practice safe. It's the only microneedling device clinically shown to work on all skin types on the Fitzpatrick classification scale.
The SkinPen microneedling system is a universal treatment system.
There's no cords or wires that's bogging you down or keeping you tied to the wall.
It's got a nice covering and keeps the pen very clean, and it makes us feel more confident.
SkinPen's superior design was ergonomically built for comfort using professional feedback. All devices are ensured to weigh less than 5 ounces. Inductive charging prevents the device from overcharging, and the medical-grade battery is designed to stay charged for multiple uses.
SkinPen is special in a way that each cartridge that you use is disposable and single use. It gives you maximum protection from any sort of cross-contamination or infection.
Additional safety features that helped SkinPen set the standard in microneedling are found in the cartridge itself. The Precision Advanced Cartridge Unit is a sterile, single-use cartridge that can be set between 0.25 and 1.5 millimeters. Contains 14 smooth stainless steel medical grade needles, creating around 1,600 micro injuries per second, and the needle is validated to stay sharp for up to 80 minutes of continuous use. The Lure Lock safety mechanism in the cartridge creates an automatic single-use lockout feature which prevents accidental reuse of the cartridge. The SkinPen cartridge also has a precision depth dial which allows you to be confident that the depth you set the needle is the depth at which the patient is being treated. As you can see, every millimeter of the SkinPen Precision device and the Precision Advanced cartridge was designed with safety, efficiency, and user comfort in mind.
I've used the SkinPen microneedling device on all different ages, from the age of 22 to 70-year-old patients.
By far superior to other devices that I've used previously.
SkinPen received high satisfactory markings from patients. In our clinical trial, 90% of subjects would recommend the treatment to friends and family. At 6 months following the third treatment, 90% of subjects reported an improvement in the appearance of their acne scars.
Great thing is with this technology is you're able to do the treatment immediately following the consultation. That there's no real need to wait. So if a patient comes in and says, hey, I want to know more about this, and they decide to move forward, well, you can do your first treatment that day.
It's super simple. I mean, you're talking 10 patients, you could do 20, you could do 30 patients, but this is why SkinPen needs to be in every practice, because the ROI is great and patients love it.
Patients love it. They see the results. The downtime is minimal, so the patients keep coming back into my office to see me or my estheticians, and I love that patient retention.
In addition to being safe and effective, SkinPen is very profitable for your practice. Most treatments take around 30 minutes, so you can get your patients in and out of your doors quickly. The average cost of a treatment is around $350. Seeing 3 new patients a week, each of them receiving 3 total treatments, will create an annual revenue of $163,800.
SkinPen is one that, it's very reasonably priced. You see results with it, and it doesn't cost you an astronomical amount out of pocket.
SkinPen has an edge over anything else on the market because part of their FDA clearance was to provide research that it does what it says it's going to do.
It's easy, it's legit, it is 100% worth it.
The award-winning SkinPen Precision is proud to be the first FDA-cleared microneedling device on the market, and we are confident that both your practice and your patients will love the device.
Hey everyone, I'm Bessie Teague and I am getting ready to do a Vivace treatment on myself. My son is getting married in a couple of weeks and I really want my skin to glow for those wedding photos. So Vivace is 3 treatments in one: microneedling, which will stimulate collagen and elastin production and kind of fill in those fine lines and wrinkles, create new skin. But it's also delivering radio frequency heat in the deeper layers of the skin, and that's going to give that immediate skin tightening, but also over time it's going to tighten even more. Radio frequency is known for tightening skin. And it's also delivering that red LED, which is an additional collagen producer, and it helps calm inflammation. I can actually hear the needles penetrating into my skin, but I can't feel a thing. There's absolutely no pain and no downtime. Otherwise, you know, I wouldn't be doing it so close to the wedding. You know, some people ask me, why do you do the nose? The nose has skin. We want to rejuvenate that too. We want to rejuvenate all skin. And also it's great for tightening pores. I mean, a common complaint I have is the pores on my nose are so big. Well, this is a good way to tighten the pores. And of course, it's amazing for lip lines. So I'm done with my Vivace. You can see that it's red and a little bit irritated and maybe slight swelling. I'm going to use my Soothe mask now, and it's all this redness is going to go away. And here I am with the mask, and this mask has hyaluronic acid and peptides that are specific for calming the skin and calming irritation. I'll leave this on for about 10 minutes. And I'll record so you can see what I look like afterwards. Here it is. You can see my skin after I left the mask on for about 10 minutes. A lot of the redness and that inflammation and that swelling is gone, and the rest of it will calm down by tonight.